How's it going, guys? I tested a few of my muzzle brakes out today on my NEA 15 556 AR. So what I was looking for is just something to keep the muzzle rise down, take away any of the recoil. There's not much with 223 or whatever, but I was just using ball ammo. And by the way, this is what came on the rifle first. Just a flash hider. I guess it accepts suppressors. We can't have them in Canada, so kind of defeat the purpose of having that. And I'm not trying to hide flash from anything because I can only use this rifle at the range. So I figured I'd get rid of that one and then pick up a muzzle brake for it. So as you know, I like Control Solutions muzzle brakes, and I took a look at their brakes. So they have the original. This is aluminum 3-port. It's bigger. It's threaded 1/2 by 28. So your regular 223 chambering or thread pitch. And then I had an old eBay steel, I don't know, just some cheap thing here. It's also a 3-port, super heavy. It has some holes on top for muzzle rise and that. And the 3-gun brake from Control, that's the one I decided to go with. It's the kind of like the smallest, lightest, and most recoil reducing brake I have. This one was somewhat effective, but it's really heavy, so it added a lot of weight to the front of the gun. The 3-gun here, it's made out of hex steel. It's coated, and it's really light. Like it's almost, well, it's pretty much as light as the aluminum one, the big 3-port. But I don't know, between these two, this one obviously takes recoil out a lot better. And I'll run a clip of this one right now. This is the one I went with, and here's a clip of me shooting a bunch of times with it just to see the difference from the stock one and then to the 3-gun brake. So I'll run that right now. And this is a clip with the cheap eBay deal, the big heavy one. It actually worked not too bad for the price, but once again, you're adding a lot of weight to the front of the gun, so it's more, I don't know. If you really have a tight budget and you really want a brake, then I guess this would be the one to go with, but there's a lot of downs with that, so I wouldn't recommend it. I'd say save up, get a good brake like this one here, or this one if you want really lightweight and ultimate recoil reduction. This one will give you like the ultimate recoil reduction.